Hey fellas, welcome to my channel. So you've walked by a mirror and you realize that your hairline is starting to start back here, or you're doing the comb over. That's not cool. It's time to shave it all off. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to shave the proper way a bald head. Okay, so now you've decided to shave the head. How do I do it? You will need a couple of products, and let's get right into this video and I'll show you what you need. First of all, you will need a nice medium-sized towel. You're gonna need a razor. I prefer a 2-blade razor over anything that's 5 blades, and I'll tell you why later on. You will need some kind of shaving cream. I prefer more of a shaving oil, like coconut oil, as well as an aftershave for sensitive skin. And last but not least, you would need some kind of witch hazel. I prefer something called Tin Skin, which you can find on Amazon. And as a bonus, maybe an aftershave or a mask, and I'll be showing you that later on. So let's get in the bathroom and get this smooth. So I think the best time to shave is when you're in the shower and that hot steam opens up the pores of your bald head. But for this practice, we're gonna do it when you complete your shower and you're out of the shower. So you wanna have a medium-sized towel, wet it with as hot as you can get it. You want to wrap it around your head, like that. And you want to press hard and leave it on for a good minute, making sure that the pores are opening up. I know most of you, when you shave your beard, you use a product like this, more of a water-based product. But I like to use more of an oil base on my head for nicks and cuts here. And what I use is a organic virgin coconut oil. It also smells good and keeps your head moisturized and give you that all glowing sensation about your bald head. Anyway, you take about a couple of fingers. You don't need much. And I like to get it in my hands and wrap it around and get it kind of warm. And just cover your head. Making sure that it's sinking really good into the hair. And what that's doing is protecting your skin for nicks, which is easy to do. So the reason I like to use a 2-blade razor opposed to a 5 or 4-blade razor is that your head is the most sensitive area on your face, and it's so easy to get a nick, and you don't need all those blades and spending all that money on a clean, smooth, bald head. You're gonna have to shave twice though. The first time you wanna go with the grain of your hair, so we're gonna go forward, and then back, and then the sides. And then to get even a closer shave, we're gonna reapply some more coconut oil, and we're gonna go against the grain. So that's up, 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 up. And that'll give you that close, clean shave. I do not recommend that when you're shaving your beard because you'll get razor bumps. And those of you who are sensitive to razor bumps like I am, especially in the back of the head, I have something after we shave to show you that will minimize that. So don't worry about the razor bumps part. I'll show you what you can use to kind of minimize that. Did I just repeat myself? I think I did. The razor I'm using is the Schick Blade Extra Sensitive. It has a 2-blade, and what I love about this razor is it has this little pivot, because when you shave, it gets inside in between the 2 blades. You can just push this little button and it takes out all the excess hair that was taken off your head. So that's one of the reasons why I use this one, but you can use a straight blade, you can use a single blade, you can use a 2-blade, but at the most I would use only 2. All right, let's get into it. So again, go with the grain. Take breaks to make sure you clean out your razor because it can get dirty. And you just want normal pressure. You don't want to apply too much pressure. I have this down pat, but it's a good idea to have a mirror. Now you want to reapply coconut oil. onto the head. And this time you want to go against the grain to get that close, clean, slick, bald head. Again, making sure you're moisturizing the coconut oil into the pores. And it's less messy than the normal foam kind of shaving cream. So the next two important steps is to reapply a hot towel, hot as you can stand it. Keep it on for about 30-35 seconds, making sure that you are closing up your pores and getting all that oil that you applied onto it so you won't clog your pores. And to really close your pores up, you want to use like a witch hazel. I use more of a fancier witch hazel. It's called Tin Skin. A lot of women use it for their bikini waxing. You can get it on Amazon. And if you can't get that, any witch hazel at a drugstore would work. But it's almost like an alcohol base. So if you nick your head, you're going to definitely feel a little bit of burn. But if you didn't nick it, you know you did a good job. So far, so good. Yeah. Smooth, y'all. It feels so good. And with witch hazel, after you shave, you want to shave probably about every other day, no less than 3 days. But in between that time, use the witch hazel or the tin skin every day to minimize your razor bumps. And then, normally, I would apply my protective lotion or aftershave on there to kind of seal in the base, but I'm going to put on a mask. So you guys are getting a bonus. I'm going to be putting on a charcoal peel mask all over my face and probably trim up my beard. And that's it. It's not that hard. Just take your time, don't rush. If you can, do it in the shower time. That'll save up your time once you get this down packed. It takes me about, let's say, 5 or 10 minutes to shave once you get it down packed. And again, if you are receding back here or you're flipping over, just shave it. Just shave it. Instead of the charcoal, I decided to go with a more of a clay mask. I wanted more moisturizer in my face as well as my bald head. So I switched it up on you, but it works just as well. And I get like a quarter size of that, rub it in my hands. And you can find this at any drugstore. Any peel or mask would do. You leave on about 10 minutes. So this is more of a nighttime regimen. And with the magic of television, 10 minutes has gone by, so I take that same towel and then wipe off all the clay. And then I'm going to apply my protective lotion, Nivea. You can get that at any drugstore. About a quarter size of that. I'm gonna put a little extra on tonight since I'm going to bed. And leave it on all night to moisturize. That smells good too. So if you've gotten this far, you must have liked the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like it, share this video. If there's anything you would like me to show you, like how to trim your beard or shave your beard off, shave your eyebrows off. Leave a comment down below, and I don't know about the eyebrows, but leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought about this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Anyway.